This house, located on the island of Selbjørn in a picturesque archipelago south of Bergen, successfully balances the need for shelter with the desire to fully embrace the extraordinary coastal landscape year-round. Villa Austevoll follows the principle of making the lightest possible impact on the environment, with the building elevated above the landscape itself to protect the natural surroundings and to take advantage of the hillside location and the views it offers in all directions. Accessible only by boat and ferry, it has a cross-shaped design and functions as an observatory for viewing its surroundings. The 285-square-meter house is composed of 2 volumes. The first is a triangular concrete volume that fits into the hillside and forms a pedestal for the main body of the house. An oak spiral staircase channels light into the dark entrance hall, clad in stained wood, through a circular skylight positioned directly above the staircase, puncturing the roof of the house's upper floor. The entire spiral staircase and its surrounding walls were constructed from light oak. Unlike the entrance hall, the upper level has a bright and airy appearance, achieved through light wood flooring and expanses of white paneling covering the walls and ceiling. In plan, the upper level of the house is cross-shaped and features floor-to-ceiling windows at each end of its 4 points, providing Villa Austevoll with different vantage points of the surrounding landscape. The kitchen and dining area are located in the southern wing. It includes a single-wall kitchen running along the entire length of the space, accompanied by an 8-seat dining table at the center of the wing. The shared living spaces occupy the north-south axis of the house and have an open-plan design separated by the spiral staircase at the center of the space. The living area is located in the northern wing of the house and opens onto a terrace sheltered by an overhanging roof. The bedrooms, including a primary suite and 2 additional bedrooms, occupy the eastern and western wings and also lead out to covered terraces. The main body of the house is placed on top of the lower concrete volume and extends from the terrain on thin steel pillars, giving the structure a floating quality. Due to Villa Austevoll's coastal location, wind and weather patterns influence the design and shape of the house. This led the studio to incorporate angular walls and extended walls that shelter the terraces.